Next, we're going to look at paragraph styles. And paragraph styles allow you to save a style of a text and then apply it in other areas of your document. So if you are working on a publication, you have many different users, you have set styles you need everyone to follow, or you have a multi-page document and you want to make sure you are using the same style from page 1 to page 300, paragraph styles are a great option for you. So here is how you get started with your paragraph styles. Go up to Window, Styles, and Paragraph, and make note that there are several different types of styles. My personal use is typically paragraph styles and object styles, so the same techniques I'm showing you for paragraph styles can be used with object styles as well. So I have already created a new style group and started adding to that. I've got this part of the headline added in, and I'm going to show you some examples of how we continue to add styles. So I'm going to come over here in my type tool, and I can just even be clicked in there. I don't even have to select it. And I'm going to click the Create a New Style button. It's going to pop up with a paragraph style. I can double click that, name that Pull Quote, and it's going to be our reverse just to make sure I know that it's white, and hit OK. Then I can pull that into my folder. I'm going to go down here to the name, and this time I'm going to highlight that text that we've used for the year of the person. And this time I'm going to use this drop-down menu, New Paragraph Style. Notice the difference between when I clicked there and used the drop-down. Here it automatically opens that New Paragraph Style dialog. And I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to move that down into my Travel Colorado. On down to my body text. It actually needs to be styled, so we're going to do this one a little bit different. We're going to go New Paragraph Style, and this time we are going to create it using this dialog menu. So we're going to go into Basic Character Formats. I like Bodini, but I'm going to make my size a little bit bigger, 10 point. This is going to be for my body copy. I do want some indents. I want that first line indent. If I applied drop cap here, it would apply to every new paragraph. So I'm actually not going to use that. If I wanted a style for this drop cap, I would create that with a character style. And this time I'm going to preview what that body is going to look like and hit OK. And so there's my body text created, and I'm going to move that in there. So now I've created my paragraph styles. Let's see how we can apply those. I've created a second page to this document, so I will navigate to that. And in this second document, I'm going to show you how we can apply text. So this would be my pull quote reverse. I'm going to select it all using my Command A, click my text, and there I've applied that. Now notice I didn't apply the bold that we have on this text for those keywords we want highlighted. The reason why I didn't do that is we don't know what the keywords are. So I just know I need to come in here and apply that bold where appropriate. This should be body copy. Apply my body copy, apply my bold main headline. Now some cases you're going to have to work with your Command Option C, kind of get your frame to fit. Within the same text box you have to have the same paragraph style. So with this, if I wanted that all to be in that other style, I'm going to need to move it to a separate text box and then apply that bold style to it. Now I want to show you how we can move to a new document and use these same styles. It's not an export, and that can be a little confusing. Let's hop over to this document. And what I have going on in this document is just some round shapes reminiscent of the circles that we have on our magazine design. And let's say this is going to be a flyer or some sort of advertisement, but I want to use those same styles from the magazine. To do that, all I need to do is use this drop down, go to Load Paragraph Styles. I'm going to pull that InDesign document, click Open, and it asks me which of those styles I'd like to bring in. I'm going to say all of them, and OK, and there they are. Use those styles as I apply. Notice this time I am selecting what style I want to use. So this time I am selecting the style I want to use, and then using my shape and filling it in. So a couple of different ways you can use those paragraph styles. But as you can see, it makes applying style for your text quick and easy.